Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to do zucchini fritters because I always get a lot of zucchinis in my veg box and the kids don't like fried or oven baked or boiled. They absolutely detest it, but they like zucchini fritters. Also it becomes its own little meal in a way. You could serve a salad, some vegetables with it, you know, nice bread, and then hey ho, you got a meal. So quick. So lovely, and you know, zucchinis are really nutrient dense and they hardly contain any calories either, so it's a really healthy option. So this recipe is vegan, but if you want to have an egg in there instead of the vegan egg I'm going to use, just go ahead and add that, and also and the flour as well. I use the flour I got at home, and I've tried several different ones and it all works really well. So don't, you know, as long as you got the zucchinis and some sort of flour, you are fine. So this is what you need. Zucchini first of all. This is about 500 grams of zucchini. Spring onions, I normally use 2. Juice from a lime. Flour, half a cup of flour. I'm using just the ordinary sort of mixed gluten-free flour here, but you know, any flour. I've tried loads of different ones and that's all fine. These are breadcrumbs. These are gluten-free breadcrumbs, about 2 tablespoons. Then some ginger, just to get a little bit of sting in there. 1 garlic clove. Did I say a bit of salt? Oh, quite a lot of salt actually. I'm going to show you why we need a lot of salt. And some chili flakes and dried basil. This is stock powder. Half a tablespoon of that, and also half a tablespoon of a good vinegar. Yeah, and I'm also using nutritional yeast because it gives that lovely cheesy flavor. And also it got extra B12 in there, and vegans, vegetarians and meat eaters normally need more B12, so that's always good. I'm going to use an egg replacer, but if you want to, you can have 1 egg. And this time I'm also putting in some chia seeds because it's so healthy and so good to put in there when you can. But that's optional. I've done this a million times without the chia seeds and that's fine, just to get some extra health benefits in there. Also, did I say coconut oil? Of course you need that for frying in, and salt and pepper of course. The first thing we do is to grate the zucchini. And when that's all done, put it in a mixing bowl. Together with quite a lot of salt. So I normally take a teaspoon, and we're using this just to get the water out of zucchini. So first I just mix it up a bit. Feels like I'm going to ferment now, but I'm not. And then put all the zucchini in a sieve. Press it out a bit and then leave it for about 10 minutes until even more water comes out. And when that's happening, I'm mixing my egg replacer, so 1 tablespoon of that together with 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it up. So after about 10 or 15 minutes, press out all the water and put it back in the mixing bowl together with everything else. So we need the juice of half a lime, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. They might as well be in there sucking the water up. And I'm grating 1 little garlic. And also a little bit of ginger. Sort of the same amount. So that's all together like that. And spring onions, a little bit of pepper, black pepper, vinegar, chili flakes and basil, breadcrumbs, nutritional yeast, my egg replacer, all goes in. Let's mix that up first. It does smell nice of the lime and the ginger. So a big lump is formed. Now it's easy to make little frittatas and just fry them in coconut oil. So now the oil is quite hot. Just make little balls, flatten them out. I'm normally not so precious about them being completely round, as you can see, and then just put them in and fry them for a couple of minutes on both sides and flip them over when they are sort of golden brown. So here they are. I managed to make 11 today. So I will serve that with some salad and some corn on the cob, some other vegetables, and they will eat this and be happy, and it's zucchini and job done. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you like the recipe and that you get to do it. It's so good, it's cheap, it's nutrient dense, low in calories, and it tastes really nice, and you don't have to be too precious about exactly to follow the recipe. You try out, improvise a bit. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos so you don't miss any of the other ones coming up, and have a fabulous week, and I will see you soon. Bye!